Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox the Boya BY M1DM microphone. So this is our dual omnidirectional lav microphone. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box. First of all, we have the Boya logo. Here we have its little genuine kind of sticker. The model number is BY M1DM dual omnidirectional lavalier microphone. So basically this lav mic is mostly used where you're going to do some interviews, so it can connect to two people with only one wire. So this is a cheap alternative as compared to the expensive wireless systems. This one costed me around, I would say, $15 to $20 as compared to the expensive wireless microphones which cost hundreds of dollars. So it is really cheap if you're going to start up, and if you have a YouTube channel like me, then it's perfect for that kind of purposes. On the bottom here we have its compatibility. It's compatible with your smartphone, tablet, your DSLR or mirrorless cameras, and it can be connected to your, I think, your camcorders as well. On the side we have the model number BY M1DM. On the back we got some of its features if the camera can focus on it. Designed for smartphone, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorder, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. Excellent for interviews, as I told you before. Improved sensitivity and signal to noise. Includes carrying pouch. And here are some of its specs as well. So you can just pause the video and read them if you want to. Anyways, let's just open the box. So here in the box we are going to have the microphone in its carrying pouch, which is really cool, and we're going to have some documentation as well. The box empty. Other than that, first of all, we're going to get I think so it's a warranty card for our Boya microphone, and also a user manual as well. So you can read the user manual if you want to, but I'm going to show you how you can use this microphone, so it won't be necessary. Other than that, in our carrying pouch we're going to have our dual microphones, and here we have something. So these two things are just trash, putting them aside. Here we have the equipment packet as well, or I would say some additional goodies. So let me just open it. Here we go. And here we're going to have two of these, I think, what I don't really remember what you call them. I think so they're called cat blocks or something like this. So you're going to use them on your microphone when it is really windy, so it's going to reduce the wind noise. We got another connector right here. We got a little cell to power our microphone, which I'm going to show you how you can insert it. And here we're going to have two collars as well, so you can tie them with your shirt collar, etc. for the microphone. And that's all in the box. And here we have our dual microphone setup as well. So you can see we have a really good length of a cable. Here we have two of our microphones right here, and here on the other end we have our 3.5mm jack, which can be connected to your smartphone, PC or DSLR or mirrorless camera. So pretty good length of a cable. And here if I show you, we got our Boya logo. It's metal. From here we got our on off switch. If you're going to connect it with your camera or DSLR or a mirrorless camera, then you need to switch on it. Otherwise, if you want to connect it with your smartphone, then it's going to remain powered off or switched off. So there isn't any, if you can see on the actual mic unit, there isn't any button to enable any one particular mic. Like if you want to just enable the right mic or the left mic, then there is no such option. Whenever you're going to enable the microphone, both of these microphones will be enabled, so you don't have such kind of option in which you already don't you just only want the right one to be enabled or the left one. So whenever you're going to enable it, both of these microphones will be enabled simultaneously. So that's one thing you should know. So now if I want to put the cell in, it's pretty simple. You need to just rotate it like this, and this place is going to open up, and here we have, and if the camera can focus on it, we have a polarity as well. Here we have positive and negative, so the cell will go in this particular direction, and here is the cell itself. Okay, on the cell we're going to have our polarity as well. Here we go. So the cell is LR44 and the positive side is this one. Sorry, the cell is pretty small, that's why the camera is facing with the focus. This is the positive side and the other is negative side. So here we're going to get this up. So you can see the positive side is over there and the plain side is the positive side. So it will go something like this. Once you seed it in properly, you can just close the hood, and that's all. So now I'm just going to connect this dual microphone setup with my Sony a6400 camera to show you the audio result of these microphones. So this is the audio that you are hearing from my Boya BY M1 microphone. So now I'm going to connect the other microphone that we just unboxed, the Boya BY DM, which is the dual lav microphone. So let me switch the microphones. So now here I have connected the Boya BY M1DM dual omnidirectional lav microphone. One end is connected to me and the other end is connected to my sister. So we're going to do an audio test of these microphones. First of all, I'm going to do the test. So hello mic testing 1 2 3, hello mic testing 1 2 3. And now from the other or second microphone,
hello mic testing 1 2 3, hello mic testing 1 2 3.
So here you can get a rough idea of the audio quality of these microphones. Again, these are not the most expensive microphones. If you're going to do interviews in your small studio or somewhere and you are on a budget, then these microphones are best for the price. If you want to go wireless, then those options are available, but again they are very expensive. So the one thing that I noticed, that the wire of these microphone ain't very long. So I think from me and the other person you are interviewing, you can go for a max distance of about 5 to 10 feet, and that's also you need to consider the length of this cable. Other than that, I don't think there is any issue with these microphones. So guys, if you like this unboxing video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.